With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If gas is heated at constant pressure, its isothermal compressibility is. So if I write down the isothermal compressibility, it is minus 1 by V dV by dP. So if you see here, it is said in the question that it is heated at constant pressure. So pressure here is constant. So if I write down the ideal gas equation, PV is equals to nRT. So if you write down the V is equals to nRT by P. So here the P is constant. So if you differentiate with respect to P, it will be equals to 0. So if you see here the isothermal compressibility, if you see this dV by dP is 0, so it will become 0. So it will be constant, will remain constant, and A is the correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.